You are not lazy. You are not lazy, guys. Welcome to my channel. It's Dr. Mercy in the house, and today we're going to talk about a lot. And make sure you watch this video till the end. Make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss any part of it. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe now. You are not lazy. You are just misaligned. You are not lazy. You are just misaligned. Stop calling yourself lazy. Watch this first. The truth about laziness nobody talks about. Calm down. You are not lazy. Let me say that again. You are not lazy. You're just living a life that doesn't align with who you truly are. And deep down, your soul is resisting it. I know so. Number one, the lie you've been told somewhere along the line, you started believing something was wrong with you. You know, it all starts from what you believe. It all starts from you thinking that you are a failure. If you think you are a failure, you will always be a failure and you will not deliver. You procrastinate a lot. You feel tired all the time. You lack motivation. And the world labeled you as lazy. So because everybody else feels you are lazy, you believe them and you start acting according to what they said. That's why you think you are lazy. You know, because when you are doing something that truly matters to you, you don't beg for motivation. And that's the truth. If you are doing something that really matters to you, something that you love, that you started doing because you love to do it, nobody is going to force you to do it. Nobody is going to motivate you to want to do it. It's just like somebody telling you to come and sing in a studio, and you know you like to sing when you are bathing, you like to sing when you are bathing, you like to sing when you are sleeping, when you like to sing when you are doing chores at home. It's not something that you'll be angry that they didn't give you. Somebody have to force you to do it and all that. So that's just the thing. So your passion drives you, even without even knowing. Passion is what you do when nobody's watching. So number two, what misalignment looks like. Misalignment feels like, number one, waking up tired even after sleeping. Have you ever woke up from a 6-hour sleep and still feel like you still need to go back to sleep? That's what it feels like, because you are misaligned. You're not in the right part of God for your life. You're not aligned yet. So that's why you want to just sleep. But if you have something pushing you, you will not sleep. I'm telling you. You know, sometimes dragging yourself through the day, you just lazying about because there's not really achievement. There's nothing to focus on. There's no goal. So that's why you feel the way you feel, and that's why you think you are lazy, because you haven't found yourself yet. And then living a life that looks good on the outside but feels empty inside. Are you this kind of person that everybody feels your life is just put together, but you on your own, you know your life is scattered? Because you come out all happy, looking glowed, but you know that everything is nonsense. It is you I'm talking to. You are not lazy. You are just disconnected from yourself. Disconnected from purpose, disconnected from passion, disconnected from you. Number three, why you feel stuck. We are going down to the solution. The reason why you feel stuck, you are trying to force yourself into a life that was never designed for you. You are forcing yourself to align with other people's goals. That's why you feel confused, because that is not what you are meant to be doing. Let me give you reasons. Number one, you choose a path that pleases people. Okay, my father likes people that do this thing, so let me do it. My husband likes women that are into this stuff like this. Let me do it, so that he will always still see me as somebody that is actually a useful woman and not just a woman that does not have value. So you just do things because people are doing it, not because you like it, not because you find peace in doing it and joy in doing it. And you always come back and start all over again. So that's why you always feel like you don't want to go today, because you were not meant to do it. You know, so number two, you are chasing money instead of meaning. So, you know, once you start chasing money will run away from you, because money actually attracts. Money comes to people that are in line with their passion and with their vision. Alright, so money will just automatically find you. But when you're after money, so you're doing every business because of money. Don't do it because of money, because when the money, maybe the business fails and you don't have money, you break down.
You'll be admitted in the hospital. But if something you love and it just didn't go well, you just be like, oh, it didn't work, and you keep trying. Just like a content creator, you don't, because you posted and you have 2 likes does not mean you will not post another video. But if somebody that does not like content creation but did it because someone else is doing it and they got 1 million views, the person will be like, oh, I'm not doing it again, this is a loss. Even though you feel disappointed once, one way or the other, but you will never stop doing it because you just love to take pictures. You love making videos. So not because you're doing it because people want to pay you or you're going to be paid. You're doing it because you love it. So that's it. Don't miss it. And number 4 on the list, you are afraid to start over. That's the reason why you're still where you are. Your body slows down, so your mind resists everything that comes after it. You know this thing you're doing, you're not supposed to be doing it. But because, oh my God, how do I start? My friends have gone far. Everybody has achieved. People know that this is the business I'm into. So you don't want to start all over again and help yourself. You can lie to the world, you can't lie to yourself. Tell yourself the truth. I just gave you my father's quotes. You can lie to yourself. You can lie to the world, but don't lie to yourself. Because if you lie to yourself, you are doomed for life. You are afraid to start over, so your mind resists, your body slows down, your energy drops. Not because you are weak, but because your spirit is saying, this is not it. Most times our spirit tells us everything, but we are the one that always say, no, I must do this thing. It must be this. If it's not this, I'm not doing. That's the reason why we are. Number 4, here comes the shift. The shift in energy. We are headed to the right spot. Alignment changes everything. When you find what aligns with you, just like meeting a partner for you, everything just works naturally. You don't need to force it. When you find what aligns with you, number 1, energy replaces exhaustion. You just have energy. You just want to do. You're never tired. Passion replaces pressure. Discipline becomes natural. You don't need to force consistency. You don't force it. It just happens. You just see your phone, you turn on the camera and start videoing. Even because you after doing 10 videos, it's failed, you still keep doing it. Quite because you love it. But if it's someone that did not start it because of passion, I'm not doing, let me look for something else to do. That's why so many people are into so many businesses. 10 business, 20 business, only one person. And no one is functional. And you're into everything because you've not found the purpose and plan of God for your life. You don't need to force consistency. You become consistent. Become now. Because now you are moving with purpose. You become consistent because now you are moving with purpose. Number 5 on the list, how to realign your life. This is very important. Listen. Number 1, what feels natural to me? Ask yourself that question. What excites me without pressure? Number 3, what drains me constantly? Number 4, who am I when no one is watching? Start small. Realignment is not a big jump. It's a series of small intentional shifts. Change what you consume. Change what you read, music you listen to, and the friends you associate with. Change what you tolerate. Change what you pursue. Is the only movie you pursue, or gossip online that you pursue? Better start following people that will teach you and ginger you to become somebody in life. Stop calling yourself lazy, because if you call yourself lazy, no matter what anybody calls you, you will always be lazy. You are not broken. You are not behind. You are not incapable. Tell yourself that. You are simply out of alignment. And once you find your path, you will unlock a version of yourself that doesn't need motivation to show up. Don't wait for anybody to cheer you up. You are your number 1 cheerleader. So give yourself grace. And instead of asking, why am I lazy? Ask, is this the life I am meant to live? Because the moment you align, everything changes. The moment you begin to align, everything changes. You no longer need to beg anybody to show up for you before you stand for yourself. You don't need to wait for people to push you to become great. You just wake up doing what will make you great. I hope this video has touched you in the way that it's touching me right now. I really want you guys to become someone great in life. Thank you for stopping by to watch my videos today. Let me know how you are enjoying this series. Let me know how to improve. If you have something to say, you can add, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share. turn on your notification button. Bye.